action. We're back in the action, boys. Yo, man, good to be back. Been 10 days. I asked a girl to marry me, and it takes wedding planning and I had no idea what I was getting into. Luckily enough, although we haven't been filming a lot lately, I just booked a trip last night, last minute, going with the boys to Dominican next week. Probably get as close as we can as getting kicked out without getting kicked out. Anyway, getting back to the real swing of things, we got a doozy of a video. It's literally just bad things that have happened. First off, this morning, had a great unboxing for you. Guess what? I wasn't even thinking straight enough because I was so kind of pissed off that I already opened the damn thing. Long story short, then we're gonna get into the fucking title, which still isn't that fucking great. I mean, it's still a jewelry collection, don't get me wrong, we do one every year, but it's bad day to start back, boys. Alright, what happened today? Well, a while ago, boys, it's gonna be a real cool video. We had a mystery. First off, thumbs up, comment down below. I was just about to say mystery box. It reminded me that we have mystery boxes down below on the website, namebrandfam.com. $24.99 only. You're gonna get some value out of it, and guess what, too, boys? One person's gonna either get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. When we randomly go down and pick the person, they'll be hit up via email or however you bought the mystery box. You know what I mean? We'll get in touch with you. Appreciate you guys still shopping that, by the way, even though I've been gone for 2. Alright, watched all that back. Better vibes, even though this sucks. What originally we had planned for today wasn't actually a jewelry collection. That was supposed to be for a different video. Somebody once again hit me up on Instagram being like, Bran, I want to sell you a, I think it was from Trax NYC. I'm so blanking. No, it was from Trax NYC. A diamond little piece that they had. You know me, it was a ring. So I sent them over for 500 bucks. This is just backstory. Pretty much knowing at this point that there's always room for me to get scammed. It's like kind of weird, but at the same time, if I get something weird in our box, for example, sometimes you guys send me shit in the mail. Joke's on me, right? But it's a funny video. I guess like at the end of the day, I'll get pissed at the second, but I do it for like the entertainment. Or sometimes you just send me something that has nothing to do with actually what you were going to send me. Luckily though, I'm somewhat smart about it, and I go through PayPal friends and family. So if I don't actually get what I was promised, like I will get my money back. We've done that a few times. The box is already fucking open, boys. I'm shaking the I gotta chill with the vibe. Sorry, I really am glad to be back, man. I'm shaking the thing and I hear nothing. In my mind, firstly, obviously I know I didn't get what I wanted. No big deal. What I really wanted was a cool video. Hoping if this was a scam, actually the coolest video would be getting what he was telling me he was gonna give me. The next cool thing, maybe you just give me something funny. I get pissed off on camera and that is what it is. I think that's fine content. It was nothing. I opened up the damn thing. Had a little flipped out, not gonna lie. Because one, I didn't get my jewelry, but two, I didn't get my fun video. Like, sometimes you guys are kind of creative with what you're gonna send me that you're not supposed to send me. Fuck that. That sucked. Anyway, on to my jewelry collection. One every year, boys. A little late for 2022. There's a reason why, and here's why. Alright, back with the good vibes. Once again, glad to see you guys. Jewelry collection. You guys love to see it. Now, the reason I was actually holding off was because I've been waiting for the, if I'm trying to point to the box, I just chucked out of anger. I've been waiting for that piece to finish it off. Now, what happened a little while ago, first off, we'll get to my first 2 favorite pieces in the jewelry collection, then we'll get into more. Obviously, you guys know, had this for a long time. Diamonds, what are they? They're S-size some. They're not great, but they're good. It's a good chunk of gold. It looks sick. That's my first piece right there. We diamond tested it. It is real. And then next, we also have this name brand one. Now, lots of pieces acquired over time and stuff like that. You guys have seen them on videos. Well, my girl and I, not the other day, frickin' when's our anniversary? February 1st, so kind of the other day. We went on a little getaway, right? Enjoyed time together, smash, you know, I'm just kidding. You know, have a good time. Of course, when I go there, now I'm actually getting frickin' kind of sad. I go there and I bring one of my jewelry boxes, travel jewelry box. I actually don't wear jewelry that often if you see me in public anymore, but we're going out. I want to look nice. I want to look expensive, so I bring my jewelry box. I forgot the thing, bro. I mean, I legit forgot it at the place. I didn't forget to bring it. I forgot it at the place. Only my fault, idiot. I called back and they're still looking for it. They got me on the number, but it's been like, I don't know, 2 weeks now. So what I'm just showing you is all the damn, I do have a necklace left. I don't know where that is right now. Also, I'm looking at the jewelry box I didn't bring. I got a few more other pieces, but just like the smallest stuff, like just like nothing. I left it in the room. I don't know if the person taking the room stole or just took the box and dipped once they cleaned the room. I don't know. They're on the lookout for it. All I have is what I wore out building. Here's my jewelry collection. Go back back 2-3 years ago. If you really want to see the good stuff, then that's what it is. We're left with this. This is my first comeback video in freaking 11 days, and it's all bad news. So there's a damn update. We're gonna be filming more this week, and definitely on the trip. Good to see you again. I guess I'm just showing face. But yeah, we've lost everything. Yeah, at least I saw that stupid monkey picture on my phone. That's sick. Girls love that. And yeah, there's Jewelry Collection 2021. The reason I was doing that too is because I think it's funny how we've actually digressed into nothing after buying all this stuff. Don't get me wrong, I mean my big jewelry box that I didn't bring with me, I still have my like grills and stuff like that. But it's like that, and I just don't even want to do the whole collection of what I have left because it's literally a couple grills, which is making me sad that I have nothing else but that, and then this damn Gucci watch that I smashed in a video because I promised you guys I would. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merkin the Game will be back tomorrow at 5. Bad comeback maybe, but what can you expect from me? It's never gonna be that freaking what's the word? You know I'm gonna F up something, so here's me effing up the first video back. Bye.